morning, children. After learning the divisibility tests till the divisibility test of 11, this is the last video in which I am going to teach you how to find whether a number is divisible by 12 and whether a number is divisible by 15. So these two divisibility tests I am going to teach you in this video. Come, let's go to our PowerPoint presentation.
Divisibility test of 12. Multiples of 12 are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120, and so on. Okay. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, and so on. Now, children, you must be wondering that we are doing the divisibility test of 12. So why are we revising the multiples of 3 and 4? Dear children, 3 fours is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So then all the multiples of 3 and 4, the numbers which are common in the table of 3 and 4, those numbers will be the multiples of 12. Let us see. I have highlighted the numbers which are multiples of 3 as well as the multiples of 4. Come, have a look. See, 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4 both. So 12 is a multiple of 12. 24 is a multiple of 3 and 4 both. So 24 is the next multiple of 12. 36 is the multiple of 3 and 4 both. So 36 is the next multiple of 12. 48 is the multiple of 3 and 4 both. So 48 is the next multiple of 12. So children, for checking whether the given number is a multiple of 12 or not, we have to do the divisibility test of 3 as well as the divisibility test of 4. All those numbers who are divisible by 3 as well as are divisible by 4 are divisible by 12. Now, you must be wondering why only 3 4s are 12. After all, 2 6 is also 12. So children, here I want to tell you, 3 and 4 have another unique property, and that is 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers have not been taught to you till now. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which come only in the table of 1. They do not come in any other table together. So 3 and 4 are only the multiples of 1. Now 2 6 is also 12. But 2 and 6 both are the multiples of 2. They are not co-prime numbers. So children, we will see only the divisibility test of 3 and 4. So for checking the divisibility of 12 for a given number, we need to check the divisibility of 3 and 4. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, it will also be divisible by 12. Okay, now let us do a few examples. In this slide, we have taken a few numbers. First one is 11,11,144. The sum of these digits, the sum of the digits of this number is 13. Now 13 is not a multiple of 3, so this number is also not a multiple of 3. Now this number is a multiple of 4, but since it is not a multiple of 3 as well as 4, so it is not a multiple of 12. Next is 6,91,215. We added the digits of this number. The sum of all the digits of this number is 24. So this number is divisible by 3. But if we look at the number formed by the last two digits, which is 15, that is not a multiple of 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. So again, children, it is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 4. So it is not divisible by 12. Third number is 81,20,640. The sum of all the digits is 21. So this number is divisible by 3. The last two digits, the number formed by the last two digits is 40. So this number is also divisible by 4. Since this number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, so this number is also divisible by 12. Okay, now 22,25,000. The sum of all the digits of this number is 11, and it is not a multiple of 3. Also, this number is not a multiple of 4. So naturally, children, this number is not a multiple of 12 either. Okay, last number. 3,61,200. The sum of all the digits of this number is 12. Since 12 is a multiple of 3, so this number is a multiple of 3. And children, the last two places have zeros in this number. And I hope you remember that if a number has two zeros at ones and tens place, then that number is a multiple of 4. So this number is a multiple of 3 as well as a multiple of 4. Hence, this number is also a multiple of 12. I hope, children, you would have understood the divisibility test of 12. Now, we are coming to the divisibility test of 15. It is very similar to the divisibility test of 12. I'll tell you how. Now, 3 5s is 15. And 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers, beta. See, 3 and 5, they come only in the table of 1. They are co-prime numbers. So, let us see the multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150, and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and so on. Now, children, look at the highlighted numbers. 15 comes in the table of 3 and 5. both. So 15 is the first multiple of 15. Now 30 is a multiple of 3 and 5 both. So 30 is the second multiple of 15. 45 is divisible by 3 as well as it is divisible by 5. So 45 is the third multiple of 15. So for checking the divisibility of 15 for a given number, we need to check the divisibility of 3 and 5. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 5, it will also be divisible by 15. See children, I hope you have seen the similarity between the divisibility test of 12 and 15. Okay, now let us check the divisibility of these numbers. First one is 11,11,144. Sum of digits is 13, so it is not divisible by 3. Last digit is 4, so it is not divisible by 5. Obviously, it is not divisible by 12. 6,91,215. Sum of digits is 24. The number is divisible by 3. Last digit is 5. So the number is divisible by 5 also. Since it is divisible by 3 as well as by 5, so it is also divisible by 12. Third number is 81,20,640. Since sum of the digits is 21, this given number is divisible by 3. The last digit is 0, so this given number is divisible by 5. Since it is divisible by both 3 and 5, children, this number is also divisible by 15. Okay, now the second last number, 22,25,000. Sum of the digits is 11, but 11 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. The given number is not divisible by 3. At the end, at the ones place, we have 5. So this number is divisible by 5, beta. But since it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 12 also. Okay, let us look at the last number. 3,61,200. The sum of all these digits is 12. Since 3 fours are 12, 12 is a multiple of 3, so the given number is also a multiple of 3. Also, beta, there is 0 at ones place, so the given number is also divisible by 5. Since the given number is divisible by both 3 and 5, so it is also divisible by 12. Okay, children, this is the divisibility test of 15. Now, I request you, after watching this video, please practice both the divisibility test of 12 as well as that of 15. And I'm sure you will be very, very thorough with it and you'll be able to do it in a jiffy. Okay, children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.